Tesla ramps Cybercab test manufacturing. Tesla is seemingly ramping Cybercab test manufacturing ahead of mass production, which is scheduled to begin next month, the company said. At Tesla's Gigafactory, Texas, production of the Cybercab, the company's groundbreaking purpose-built robotaxi vehicle, is accelerating markedly. Drone footage from Joe Tetmeyer captured striking aerial footage today, revealing what appears to be the largest public sighting of Cybercabs to date. A total of 25 units were observed by Tetmeyer across the Gigafactory Texas property, marking a clear step up in testing and validation activities as Tesla prepares for a broader output. Tesla Cybercab production begins. The end of car ownership as we know it. In the footage, 14 metallic gold Cybercabs were parked in a tight formation outside the factory exit, showcasing their sleek, autonomous-only design with no steering wheels, pedals, or traditional controls. Another 9 units sat at the crash testing facility, likely undergoing structural and safety validations, while 2 more appeared at the west end of line area for final checks. Big day for Cybercab at Giga Texas today. Actually, yesterday, to kick off March, the production line went into a higher volume today. We see 25 at 3 main locations, and there were several others I observed driving around too. Tetmeyer noted additional Cybercabs driving around the complex, hinting at active movement and real-world testing beyond static parking. This surge follows the first production Cybercab rolling off the line in mid-February 2026, several weeks ahead of the originally anticipated April start. That milestone, celebrated by Tesla employees and confirmed by CEO Elon Musk, kicked off low-volume builds on the dedicated unboxed manufacturing line, a modular process designed to slash costs, reduce factory footprint, and enable faster assembly compared to conventional methods. Industry observers interpret the jump to dozens of visible units in early March as evidence that Tesla has transitioned into higher volume test manufacturing. Tesla still has plans for volume production, which remains between 4 and 8 weeks away, aligning with Musk's statements that early ramps would be deliberately measured given the Cybercab's novel architecture and full reliance on Tesla's vision-based full self-driving technology. The Cybercab, envisioned as a sub-$30,000 autonomous 2-seater for robotaxi fleets, represents Tesla's bold pivot toward scalable autonomy and robotics. Tesla fans and enthusiasts on X praise the imagery, with many expressing excitement over the visible progress toward deployment. While challenges remain, including software maturity, regulatory hurdles, and supply chain scaling, the increased factory activity underscores Tesla's momentum in turning the Cybercab vision into reality. As Giga Texas continues expanding and refining the manufacturing process of the Cybercab, the coming months will prove to be a pivotal time in determining how quickly this revolutionary vehicle reaches roads in the USA and internationally. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.